Dietary supplement, choosing the right supplement is equally important. Okay. So let us understand how do we choose, which are the parameters that needs to be in our mind while choosing the right supplement. Okay. So the first and foremost thing is amount of research which has gone on the product. Okay. So when we are launching a product in the market, it is very important to see that what is the amount of research that the company has done on the product. Okay. Quality of the product. Okay. So consistent quality. So every batch, the quality of the product has to be the same. So we don't go and buy anything which is of deteriorated quality, correct? So if we go to buy clothes, we ensure that the quality is good. When we go to a restaurant, we ensure that the restaurant is hygienic and it has quality food, correct? When we buy anything, quality definitely matters. Similarly, when we are choosing the supplement, quality is very, very important. Okay. So bioavailability. So bioavailability is nothing but the amount of nutrients from the supplement that gets absorbed into our body. Okay. Sustainability and consistency across various batches from batch 1 to what we are manufacturing today. How is the product in terms of the consistency, in terms of the sustainability? Okay. So for example, the physical parameters, the chemical parameters, the taste, the appearance, the packaging. So very, very important to ensure that we are using a sustainable product. Okay. Compliance with FSSAI regulations. So FSSAI regulations is the government regulating body which takes care of the food supplements. Okay. So we have to ensure that we follow the FSSAI guidelines and use only the recommended dietary allowance of each nutrient that is approved by the FSSAI. Okay. So FSSAI says that you have to add only X mg of vitamin C. So our formulation should not have more than that. Okay. So we have to ensure that we follow and we are compliant with the FSSAI regulations. And the last is it has to be a complementary supplement. So complementary supplement means it should not be a meal replacement. Okay. It has to be a supplement which is taken along with our meals. Okay. So these are the parameters which needs to be in our mind when we are choosing the right supplement. Okay. So why supplements? Nutrient deficiency is one reason, lifestyle is one reason. But we also have to understand there might be people who say that I don't eat food outside. So maybe in a month I eat out. Every day I cook at home. So then do I need supplements? Yes, you still need supplements because even the food that you cook at home, okay, the kind of food that we eat today is called as an adulterated food, okay. Adulterated food means food in which there are lot of chemicals, preservatives, additives, colors, herbicides, pesticides added to it, okay, just to make the food look good, okay. For example, watermelons are injected with color, tomatoes are injected with color, okay, your pear, your apple, all of these fruits are coated with wax, okay. So just to ensure that, it looks more fresh when you are buying it. So similarly, every food, if you see, it is adulterated. So what happens to the food when it is adulterated? So the nutritive value of food goes down when you have adulterated food. So what do these supplements do? These supplements fill in the nutrition gaps and they help in your overall well-being. Okay. So now let us see what does Victous Life Science have to offer you. So Victous Life Science introduces Regen StemVi. Okay. So Regen StemVi is a revolutionary sublingual supplement. Okay. Revolutionary, yes. Indirect selling in India, none of the companies have got a sublingual supplement, which is like our Regen StemVi. Sublingual means what? Sublingual means a supplement which has to be placed below your tongue. So why do we place it below our tongue? The consecutive slides, I will let you know. This product is enriched with Swiss apple stem cell and grape stem cell. Okay. Why sublingual? So generally, any format of nutraceutical, like your tablets, capsules, powder, so whatever you consume, where does the digestion start? The digestion of the supplement starts in your digestive system. Okay. But when the product is sublingual, where does the digestion start? The absorption of these nutrients starts in your oral cavity. So the moment you put it under your tongue, the product dissolves, the absorption starts in your oral cavity, and immediately it enters your bloodstream and it is available for your body. Okay. So what happens? The metabolism of your body increases immediately. The nutrients are much more bioavailable. They are much more absorbable. Okay. So that is the reason sublingual supplements are much more efficient than your other formats. Okay. So Regen StemVi has got a rare variety of Swiss apple stem cells. Okay. So what is the speciality of the Swiss apple stem cells? So if you see, the metabolites in the Swiss apple stem cells are known to increase the lifespan of the apple cells. So the apple remains fresh for a longer period of time. Okay. So if these stem cells are consumed by us, it will obviously increase the lifespan of our cells in the body. So when the lifespan of the cells increase, what happens? The longevity improves. When the longevity improves, the quality of life improves. The quality of life improves, obviously, the entire holistic health is taken care of. Yes or no? Yes. This also has Solar Vitis, which is a rare grape cultivar. Okay. So this is rich in tannins. Okay. So what are tannins? So tannins are antioxidants. What are antioxidants? Antioxidants are certain unstable molecules which are there in our body because of the oxidation which takes place in our body. Okay. So what is the job of these free radicals? These free radicals go and they attack our cells. Okay. The free radicals go, they attack our cells. So what happens to the cell? They get damaged. Okay. So free radical damages our cells. So what is needed in the body to neutralize the free radicals? So we need something like an antioxidant. So these free radicals go and bind to the antioxidant, and the antioxidant neutralizes the free radicals. So when the free radicals are neutralized, what happens to our cell? Our cells are protected. So what do antioxidants do? They basically protect our cells. Okay. Solar Vitis has got tannins which are antioxidants. So what do these tannins do? So these tannins go and they bind to certain micro and macronutrients. Okay. Micronutrients are vitamins and minerals. Macronutrients are protein, carbs, fats, and water. So what does tannin do? Tannin goes, binds to the vitamins and minerals, and these vitamins and minerals are not decomposed. So when they are not decomposed, the vitamins and minerals are available in the body for a longer period of time. Okay. So when they are available in the body for a longer period of time, your body is nutrient sufficient. So when the body is nutrient sufficient, automatically your body is not nutrient deficient. Okay. So that is what these tannins take care of. Okay. So phytoceltic is an internationally patented blend of this Swiss apple stem cell and grape stem cell, and we are using this in our Regen StemVi. Okay. So when we talk about stem cells, what are stem cells? So generally, any cell is known to differentiate into its own type. So my skin cell will differentiate into skin cells. My heart cell will differentiate into heart cells. My brain cell will differentiate into brain cells. But what do stem cells do? So these stem cells, they enter our body, and the moment it enters the body, it actually tries to find out which cells are limited in your body or not functioning properly in your body. And these stem cells get converted or differentiated into that particular cell. And they start functioning in the form of those cells. So that is the unique ability of stem cells. Okay. So what do these stem cells do? It activates the skin stem cells, delays the aging process, protects and revitalizes skin cells, and enhances the cellular turnover. So let us understand the key benefits of Regen StemVi. Longevity, it extends or it expands the lifespan of skin cells. It has anti-aging benefits, so reduces fine lines and wrinkles, protects your cells from environmental damage, pollutants, bacterial infections, viral infections, UV radiations of the sun, and so on and so forth. Stress resistance. So these stem cells help to keep your body away from environmental stress, psychological stress, physiological stress. This also aids in cellular repair. Okay. So which means that if there is any cell in the body which is not functioning properly, so these stem cells help them to start functioning properly. They repair the damaged cell and make the cell function properly. Okay. So when we talk about longevity, when we talk about anti-aging, when we talk about cell regeneration, what is the backup that we have? Okay. So these stem cells are clinically validated stem cells. Okay. Clinically validated matlab they have been tested on human subjects. So on testing on human subjects for 4 weeks, we have found that this demonstrated increased cell longevity of almost 92%, reduced fine lines and wrinkles of 15%, improved cell renewal rate, which is around 35%. And these are all clinically validated results. Okay. So when we talk about StemVi, Regen StemVi, it is not only made up of stem cells. So this is a blend of stem cells, antioxidants, and functional ingredients. So let us see what are the other ingredients in this. Superoxide dismutase is one of the vital antioxidant enzyme which protects the body from free radical damage. So this is known to actually prevent a lot of chronic diseases like your cardiovascular, heart-related, neurodegenerative, nerve-related, okay? And something as serious as cancer. So this has phytoceramides. So these phytoceramides basically, helps to increase the hair, skin, and nail benefit, okay? So that basically takes care of the skin. This has gamma oryzanol, an ingredient which is actually added to protect your heart. So there are 2 parameters which actually take care of your heart health. Okay. So if your cholesterol levels and your blood pressure levels are in control, then your entire heart health is taken care of. Okay. So when these gamma oryzanol is added in the product, it ensures that it is taking care of the cholesterol levels and the blood pressure levels. Okay. And this also takes care of your hormonal levels in the body. Okay. So if there's any hormonal imbalance, this helps to take care of that. Okay. So then we have added curcumin in this. So curcumin is known as the yellow gold, which has the ability to cross your blood-brain barrier. Okay. And it helps to actually protect your brain cells. It also has anti-cancer properties. Okay. Vitamin C has an immunity booster. Okay. This has properties to increase the collagen. Okay. So 70% of your skin has collagen, which is a protein. Okay. So when you take vitamin C, so this enhances the protein collagen. Okay. And this actually keeps your skin firm and reduces your fine lines and wrinkles. This improves iron absorption. Okay. So this basically, if you are taking an iron supplement, so when you take vitamin C, it ensures that the iron gets absorbed in your body properly. So this has carotenoids like lycopene and astaxanthin, which are natural carotenoids. So very, very important for your heart health. This is also extremely important for your vision. So when you take these carotenoids along with some retinal exercises, the retinal muscles strengthen. Okay. So this ensures that your vision gets corrected and your heart is healthy. This also helps to improve your metabolism. Okay. This has Garcinia cambogia, which is a fat burner. Okay. So this basically helps in weight management. All right. So a product which is extremely important for managing your weight. Moringa, power packed with lot of nutrients. So these nutrients actually take care of the holistic health, and it is also known to take care of your gut health. Okay. Clear? So that is about the other ingredients which are added in this product. So to actually, show you in the nutshell, as to what is there in the product. So we give you a blend of stem cells, antioxidants, functional ingredients. So we give it in synergy so that the nutrients are bioavailable. Okay. The nutrients are better absorbed in your body. And this has all these ingredients like the Swiss apple stem cell, the grape stem cell, and then you have the different functional ingredients and antioxidants. Okay. So you can take a screenshot of this slide to ensure that you understand what is there in the product. So stem cells, antioxidants, functional ingredients in synergy to increase the bioavailability and the efficacy of the product. So these are the different ingredients which are there in the product. Okay. So recommended dosage is 1 to 2 sachets. All right. So place the powder under your tongue and allow it to dissolve completely. So this is a sublingual supplement. Optimal absorption is when you take it in an empty stomach. So recommended to be taken early in the morning, okay, in empty stomach. So 1 to 2 sachets is what is recommended. So that is about Regen StemVi. All right. So the next product is Core OracVi. So Core OracVi is actually a premium antioxidant concentrated drink. Okay. So this is something which all of you have been using from a long time. Okay. So basically a product which is being formulated to take care of your holistic health. All right. So this is a product which is rich in antioxidants. Okay. So something which is going to take care of your complete health. Okay. So this takes care of your head to toe needs. So why ORAC? So anything which is high in antioxidant is known to have a higher ORAC value. Okay. So the moment you talk about a high ORAC value, you are talking about a product which has got an extremely potent antioxidant values. The antioxidant or the ORAC value of our core OracVi is almost 90 lakhs. Okay. So what happens when you take a high potent antioxidant? So when you take a potent antioxidant, what happens is this actually helps to protect your body from oxidative stress. So when is your body in oxidative stress? When there is a lot of free radicals in your body, these free radicals come and they actually start damaging your cells. And the moment your cells start getting damaged, what happens is your entire body falls under oxidative stress. So when the product has a higher ORAC value, when it has a lot of antioxidants in it, what happens is it helps to reduce the oxidative stress and it helps to protect your cells. Okay. So according to FDA, if you see, you have to have at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables in a day to improve the quality of your life, which is practically impossible. Okay. So you must have something maybe like a 2 to 3 kg of fruits and vegetables in your daily life, which is not at all possible. So that is the reason we are giving you what has been recommended by the FDA in the form of core OracVi in a very, very convenient format in a bottle, which has got the benefits of exotic superfruits blend along with the benefits of some berries. Okay. So this delivers potent antioxidants, polyphenols, flavonoids, vitamins, minerals, everything that your body needs for a head to toe regeneration. Okay. So when we talk about the benefits of OracVi, we talk about its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant properties, okay, which is extremely important for your overall health. So when we talk about the benefits or the head-to-toe benefits of OracVi, so we talk from something like your immunity levels. So this boosts your immunity levels, improves the oxygen levels in your body. Very, very good for digestion because it is a super fruit blend and fruits are rich in fiber. And once your diet is fiber rich, then the digestion part is taken care of. Very, very good for your skin. Okay. Takes care of flare-ups and conditions like psoriasis, atopic dermatitis, and rosacea. Helps to manage the hormonal imbalance in women, specifically irregular periods, PCOD, and so on. Strengthens your heart muscles, strengthens your nerves, lowers your blood cholesterol levels, blood pressure levels. Okay. Purifies your blood, detoxifies your body. Okay. And then boosts your memory. Very, very important for your brain. Okay. Prevents it helps to fight the complications associated with lifestyle disorders. So lifestyle disorders like diabetes, cardiovascular, neurodegenerative, cancer, so on and so forth, helps to have a mental clarity, okay? Prevents, it actually protects your vision also. So when we talk about the significant benefits, so when we talk about the head to toe benefits, there is a lot of benefits that we can talk about, when we talk about the core OracVi head to toe benefits. But when we talk about the significant benefits of core OracVi, the primary benefit is cardiovascular benefit because it helps to strengthen the heart muscles. It inhibits the platelet aggregation. Okay. So what happens is when your arteries are clear, the blood flows very easily. So it is like water flowing in a pipe. Okay. So the moment the pipe is having some, dust or dirt accumulated, the flow of the water is disrupted. So similarly, when there is platelet aggregation or fat accumulation in your arteries, the flow of the blood is disrupted. So this leads to chances of heart attack. Okay. So this actually inhibits this platelet aggregation and fat accumulation, because of which it reduces the risk of heart attack. Okay. And it also helps to reduce your cholesterol levels. This has immunomodulatory benefits, which means that it actually helps to improve your immunity levels by fighting different bacteria, viruses. Okay. Helps to relieve inflammation and so on. This gives you nervous system benefits, which means that it helps to strengthen your nerves. Okay. So basically, strengthen your nerves in patients of who have diabetic neuropathy, helps to improve the functioning of your nerves, strengthens your memory, improves the mental clarity. It has antioxidant benefits, which means mainly it protects your cells, anti-cancer benefits. So people who know that they've had a history of cancer in the family, it helps to reduce the risk of cancer and improve the quality of life. Okay. And anti-diabetic, and it helps to reduce the complications associated with different lifestyle disorders. All right. So these are the significant benefits of core OracVi. So when we talk about core OracVi, we talk about it being a preventive treatment. Okay, because this helps to prevent a lot of complications associated with our day-to-day, lifestyle disorders. So this is a holistic product, which means it takes care of everything right from your head to toe. Okay. Alternative product, this is not a meal replacement. So this helps to take care of, your cellular functions, your muscular functions, helps to reduce your psychological, physiological stress. So it is an alternative, a safe alternative therapy, which is actually taken along with food and not as a meal replacement. Okay. So these are the ingredients which go into core OracVi, like the exotic superfruit blend, which consists of plum, apple, mango, jamun, apricot, acai berry, red grape, strawberry, pomegranate, and so on. And it has a concoction of berries, which is like cranberry, blueberry, bilberry, and so on. So you can take a screenshot of this slide to understand what are the ingredients which goes into core OracVi. Okay. So when we talk about, the dosage of core OracVi, it is 40 ml a day. So ideally 20 ml in the morning in empty stomach, and 20 ml half an hour before your dinner is what is suggested for adults. Kids who are between 5 to 10 years can take 10 ml in a day. Kids who are between 2 to 5 years can take 2 ml diluted with water. Okay. So when we talk about wellness with Victous LifeSciences, we are proud to say that we offer you a range of tested products. Okay. So right from something as simple as improving your immunity levels, improving your energy and vitality levels, up to something like managing complications associated with chronic lifestyle disorders, we take care of everything. Okay. So wellness corrects lifestyle. So all our supplements helps to promote your energy vitality levels, helps to detox your body and remove the toxins from your body, helps to improve digestion, which is very, very important to ensure that your immune system is functioning properly. Okay. Stress management and so on. So few questions which comes to people's mind when we talk about Regen StemVi and core OracVi is that, is it suitable for diabetics? Yes, it is, because our products do not have added sugars. Is it good for blood pressure? Yes, this is known to reduce your blood pressure level and takes care of your heart. Age limit, core OracVi can be taken from 2 years, and Regen StemVi we generally recommend only from 15 years. Duration of intake as desired till you receive the achieved target. You can continue taking it. Time of intake, preferably before food, because that's what gives you optimal absorption and wonderful results. And is it safe during pregnancy and lactation? Yes, pregnant women and feeding mothers can safely take this because it has no added preservatives, no colors, no chemicals. It's a completely natural product. Okay. So we have seen the key benefits of core OracVi and Regen StemVi. So now let us understand some of the differences, okay, as to whom can this product be, recommended, and in what way this product needs to be recommended. So in general, when we talk about both the products, if there is a chronic disease and someone needs to take our product, I would suggest that recommend Regen StemVi for the first 4 to 6 months and then do a management course using core OracVi. So core OracVi is an antioxidant drink. Regen StemVi is a super advanced antioxidant sublingual supplement, which means that core OracVi starts acting only after reaching your digestive system, whereas Regen StemVi starts acting the moment you put it in your mouth. Okay. Core OracVi addresses chronic health issues, whereas Regen StemVi focuses on delayed aging and longevity. Okay. So core OracVi is extremely good for your heart, and Regen StemVi, if you see, is better for your heart. So when you want a solution for a healthy heart, it is good plus better, which gives you the best solution. Okay. So extremely important if someone has gone through angio, someone has got a stroke, someone has gone through a bypass, and they are looking for some supplements which can take care of their heart, then it is core OracVi plus Regen StemVi, which is going to be the one-stop solution, the best solution for a healthy heart. Core OracVi reduces the risk of cancer, whereas Regen StemVi inhibits the growth of cancer cells. So reduces the risk, money, it is more like a preventive treatment. Okay. So if someone knows that, yes, I've been exposing myself to pollutants which can lead to cancer, someone knows that, yes, I've had the history of cancer in my family and I want to prevent cancer, core OracVi is the apt product for them. Someone is battling cancer, they are going through the chemo, they are going through the radiation, then Regen StemVi is the choice because it inhibits the fast multiplication of cancer cells. Okay. Core OracVi improves your immunity levels. Regen StemVi actually transfers immune knowledge to the immature immune cells. So the newest immune cells who transfers immunity, if you ask, it is Regen StemVi, which helps to transfer immune knowledge from mature cells to the immature immune cells. Core OracVi offers nervous benefits, which means that it helps to strengthen your nerves, whereas Regen StemVi targets specific nervous conditions like Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, paralysis, okay, and helps to kind of treat the conditions. Core OracVi helps to maintain hormonal imbalance, okay, specifically in women, whereas Regen StemVi is more to manage the infertility issues, which is in both men and women, okay. So core OracVi is more of a preventive treatment. Regen StemVi is more of a curative, or we can say that it is more of a curative treatment. So whenever we need a faster recovery from any illness, so that is what people need. So people want to recover faster, correct? So preventive plus curative gives a faster recovery. So if it's a chronic, if it's a lifestyle disorder with a lot of complications, ensure that you give both the products together to ensure there is a faster recovery from the illness. If it is something which is at the beginning stage, doesn't require both, then depending on the condition, you can either recommend core OracVi or Regen StemVi. Okay. So this is about the two products that Victous has to offer to you. So very soon we'll be coming up with more products with a lot of health benefits, which you all are going to love it. Okay. So thank you very much for joining today's session. So over to you, Rasul.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving us wonderful session and insights about the products so that it will be helpful for all our distributors to promote the product in a healthy way in the market, and they can teach and educate to their teammates so how to use the product, what all its benefits, and who and all can use these products. So thank you everyone for joining this session.
Just a second. So next Thursday, what we will do is we will have a quiz session.
Yeah,
after the training.
question and answer session we will
have a quiz session which will have 3 questions. All right. So ensure that you pay attention, and we will also try to give out some good goodies to people who answer first. Okay. So the first few answers you have to answer in the chat box along with your name and distributor ID, and we will ensure that for the kind of attention you give and for the trainings that you attend, we reward you with something which is really nice. So we will have a quiz session in the next Thursday English session. So please promote the session and come with a lot of prospects. Okay.
Thank you everyone for joining this meeting. We will be having another session in English in coming Thursday, so that we can see the more participation. As Dr. Ramya ma'am said that we will be having some surprises gifts. So we will ask some questions. Those who are able to answer them, we will reward something. Thank
Right.
you ma'am for joining
Thank
this
you very
session, and
much.
thank
Have
you
a great
everyone.
evening. Bye-bye.
Have a good evening all.